Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. They've made it up on the beat and it can't see. But on the screen, we have all that to deal with, so it's extremely important to watch the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Buju Banton because, whoa, the Ras is informing. No, I'm playing with you. But he's definitely not playing with Wayne Wonder and his wife because he's giving them a few hours to come out and apologize and retract for all of the defamatory statements that they put out against him. Nisima said, if not, he has no other option but to sue them for defamation of character. As you know, the two was embroiled in some social media bagga and things. Nisima said, Buju said some things and the wife come out and say a bag of things about Buju. And this is what he's saying, you know, these things is hurting his reputation and it's untrue. Cause you know, say when one the wife say Buju Banton, you know, grape one girl in that Trinidad and one next place. And you know, Duppy both 4 man and one bag of Sintinin, you know what I mean? Send man for got Duppy, Lana and all of these things in baby moms. Say. So you know, she fired back. Saying, you know, leave her homegirl Lana out of this and let's talk about him next to baby mother then. You know, the drug dealing one them and the thief them. You know what I mean? So, you know, say Buju try to protect himself and them as well. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The original post them is not up, but like Buju said, everybody done repost them, so he's monitoring everybody's platform that's reposting this thing. That's why I need the people them who put out them claim ya to come apologize. And honestly, the Wonder said they said what they said, and them now take it back. You see, I said, so come Wednesday, we know what's going to happen. You see, I said, maybe them, you know, file their own lawsuit against Buju Banton for thieving royalties. But me just give you an update while going for to go on, you see me. Let's proceed to the next story that Missy was in a video with Ziggy and Jamaican Barbie. It looked like the Barbie was involved in a hit and run, you know. This is what I say, but me never know Ziggy was right because I always think him a madman, you know, and him in a bed with the Barbie, but nevertheless, them say she involved in a hit and run, you know, my people. So let's look at some of the footage and hear what the people them say, you see.
You say you're never afraid in a station.
What am I afraid for? What me afraid for, Kesha? What me could I possibly afraid for?
No, because if it's 2 man everywhere you move them a follow
you. Me not business. You know hear what I say when I get up go talk to the person when the person come and him get up same time and I say when me I go me say with the blood clot to me when me I go right so me a blood clot go. You see because me come out and talk about this Kesha, that's why J Smith I try talk beer fuckery.
So J Smith I know the driver.
No, it was his wait no bumble clot talk about this. You see the day wait there, my phone another wait there, I'm go back in my jam my other phone in there. You see the day when me did not leave Kesha. Me see the man that even realize say me.
You see the driver?
Yes, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I work my day, hold on.
What?
Him fix the front time. I am car, but you can't see the tail light. And everything still fuck up. The man never realized say me, Cash. I remember telling us, yo, me not to lie about them something, I know, bro. Hold on, I'm turning the camera on.
Jamaica, you see the man where lit down the child?
Him never ever realized say me, Kesha. The man never realized that me, him a try talk to me like him want me. And I tell me say him want my luggage them. Let me show you. Turn this round. See me, I'm gonna take a picture, see the carrier. Right this on him that. Me take 3 pictures.
We don't see it, it don't come up.
See it there. Oh shit, watch out. See it, sorry. See me, I take 3 pictures. See him there right there, so see the car there. I hear him. Remember him bumbo clock face. See him there. Yeah. Wait there, watch out. A 3 picture I take, hold on. A 3 blood clot picture I take. See the 3rd one there. A 3 picture my bumbo clot take of the youth. To the front of the fucking car there.
Them start fix the car, man.
Start fix the car. You didn't hear me tell you so the boy call me back and say, no worry yourself, Barbie. The only thing I have to do is fix back the car. Like him not give a fuck. That's why I cut him off. That's why I cut him off, bro. When I go like something to give a fuck, I go call my phone and tell me, say, don't worry about it, Barbie. The only thing I have to do is just I fix back the car. The fuck you mean don't worry about it? I'ma just say why you get licked in front of me? Eh? Kesha, the man not even realize they have blood clot me when them see me, Kesha.
So how J Smith reaching at the car? You didn't that guy the party?
No, we was going to go pick up Majestic. I'm gonna have some things for her when my car down. Somebody that go for her because she didn't supposed to go to party with me.
Yeah, me I understand you go pick up Majesty, but how him reaching at the car?
He was in it and him come pick me up on my yard on the way going to Majestic. And this
driver.
yes, I'm saying I'm cousin. I'm saying I'm cousin.
Oh. Just want you how him reaching at the car. So him cousin are the driver.
Yes, so I'm saying I'm cousin. I don't know what you
mean. Go give Majesty the goods then.
Yes,
and
I pick me that pick up Majesty.
The same night after party.
Yes, it was the same night. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Kesha, I'm gonna talk about this. See you later here. But me I come live and I gonna show every blood clot thing.
Thanks.
No problem yourself.
Problem in the comment section because I'm not gonna like someone sent me a DM the other day say yo homegirl like she basically gave up her youths to the system in America. I know she in Jamaica. I lied on with Ziggy. I know we say she and Ziggy catch up in her things. I know where I say this, you know. You see my answer. So my advice to owners, stay clear of that lady. You see me, a bag of trouble follow. But anyway, let's proceed to the next. Trending things me see what I have to deal with Ivanka. The people them said, boy, oh boy, she make $350 US. Might jeopardize her stay in the US because, you know, she's talking about, you know, chopping the line, scamming and all of them things there. And I use ICE information and all of these things there. And you know, say TikTok falls under American jurisdiction and, you know, watching all of these things. So let's take a look what she's doing and see if the people them is right, what they're saying.
All right. Scroll up. This are from Thursday. I said, tell me. First thing. I asked her. The man reply. I end up start text her upon a new number because she changed her old number. So the conversation starts yes so fresh because she have a new number. She said, the man reply. Yeah, he replied. He said he working on 2 cards for you. He will send the info over. I said, okay. From Thursday. She text me back nothing. Yesterday this. I said, what the guy doing? What the guy, you don't know if you can blood clots, you can't say so good, you know, hear me and read. I said, what the guy doing? So I'm Alfie and something. I said, ask him when I can receive the refund. These don't work. I have stuff to take care of. Can't wait on him no longer for other info. I will send it to him now. I just wake up. I said, this is today now. I said, and it have my credit and pass. Still, I need to verify the bank info with them. I can't because he didn't give me no name, nothing on the account to which I need to provide with Capital One. If he can't reply today with something that work, ask him for a refund. Been couple days now. You see her reply? I know one person like that would have report nothing or whatever, but just listen. She not stay still. So she sent me her card info. Sometimes I text love. I text love and I said, Jesus Christ, love. You know, she said something that can me that tell love already. But she said, she'll buy something for the registry, whatever. Love me, you want. Yes, love, you know, move, get out. I said, love, you know, she sent me her, something there. Maybe I should have known. She sent me her card information. So I love her talk about it and I love her talk about it. When I don't know, I call her up on the phone. It going on my card. And I buy it. I never save her card upon nothing. I call her. She did it. I buy it. I hang up. Done. Tell me why now. After a couple days, kind of reach weeks yet. After a couple days, the lady will call me and ask me, no disrespect, but did you purchase or use anything else from my card? You know, said before me even answer, I'm going to text love and I say, see I'm blood clotting? You see something? And that is why I said, me have me prove them. So if anything, me have me message them can show. And that is why I say, Say, see me tell you, do not send me information, what can I have, and then you're going to tell me, so me not to get upset. So me already on the phone, and I get pissed off, because I say, what kind of fucking style? I tell you never to send me nothing, and all of a sudden now you send me something, I buy something, I show you what I buy, it's supposed to dip on your account, for sure, say, and that's the only thing purchased upon it. No, I'm not arguing, I'm just asking a question, cool, done. Couple days after, you know, say the woman called me. I'm there on the phone, I'm add love on the phone, true. The lady called back and said, is her cousin with the Jamaica? Use her card because she have access to her card too. Some cousin, some relative, whatever, cousin, auntie, whatever the relative, and some relative, where she have a Jamaica, she give access to the card and at them, don't worry. I say, okay, cool. Done, me glad me did, me glad love hear everything, done. There again one day, the woman called me. My bank and whatever do some investigation and the card shows here where the people them say buy and it's in Atlanta. She said one dog cage buy, one sofa buy. What else she said buy? And dog cage, one sofa and something else. Woman remember, something else upon it, woman remember, and it's sent to Atlanta, and them said the name upon it is Ivany. Why the things in where you tell me say by the my registry where you know and where you see, so where you try to tell me say, maybe I use your card for furnish out my place? It chip out me, it plug out. So I call love. I love them on the phone. I love her for remind me that my name on Amazon is not even Ivany. Because when I just come to America, my sister used my Amazon card. I don't know what she did do. And then they restrict my account. And from that, anytime I did bill one account, it end up gone. So I still have the registry. Anybody know my registry knows that my registry don't have a name Ivany. It name Ivante, right? Because the registry is not for me. That Amazon is not my Amazon. It's a ICE Amazon for when ICE have up in things them on the registry. Right? So when love said, but something of them, no one call her name. When love said, but that can't right because all them for say the name Ivany when the Amazon account is not even Ivany, it's Ivante for ice. And then again, love said to her, say, then again that can't right because whenever investigation I do, legally they're not supposed to tell you nobody name because they know why you go kill the person or whatever. That is why when time things are going, then I tell you a person name or whatever. So you also then tell your name. Me no want hear all that will love us send or will share. The only thing me call Amazon me hear them say that for themselves. But I don't want to call them because I already talked to them and the case closed because them say my bank deny it and then run the investigation and I just close it. Me say me not really care if you lock it, if you open it, if it a continue. Me not really business. Me just want you call them because I want you re-ask them what you tell me so me can hear what them are saying for myself. The woman no want call them back. See that I told them yesterday I send mommy sweetness me something. I buy my coach already and my thing them. It come. One come March 25th, one come March 30. I buy my coach and I buy the table something of them.
Put in the comment section, can Ivany face federal charges for all of these things that she's saying? Listen, man, but nevertheless, I'm just giving a quick update while going for not to go on. So do the right thing and subscribe to the King. Hit the notification bell and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.